One of the most key or important elements when it comes to this trading thing, any trading style that you choose, it must suit your personality, because Forex makes you realize things that you didn't know about yourself. You kind of like have to tap into you and dig deeper as to who you really are, and then incorporate that into your trading style. So that is why it is important, because trading somehow is more like a real life. Okay, because for example, if you're not disciplined, then you're not going to make it into this Forex trading thing. So you need to be disciplined. You need to create rules. There's a certain time that you must wake up at and everything like that. So without any further waste of time, let's get into the video. Okay. Hi guys, I am back again with another banger. I hope you enjoyed and liked the previous videos. So if you haven't, please go and check them out, because they're gonna help you be able to grasp things and everything that I said in the past videos. So this one is not gonna be long, it's gonna be short than the previous ones, right? So for today, I'll be delving deeper into the trading styles, because you are not just a trader. You don't just wake up and go into the markets. There's certain ways, there is more that comes into that than just waking up, looking at the charts and executing trades. So that makes me head now to the trading styles, right? So a trading style is a type of way that you trade in the market, right? Which is you basically follow certain rules, protocols, in order for you to make the profits that you want to make out of Forex trading. So without any further waste of time, let's get right into it. Okay, so when it comes to trading styles slash type of trader, so any trading style that you choose, remember I said that the market is flexible. So any trading style that you get to choose, it must fit into your work schedule. For example, there are people who have 9 to 5, but they're interested in trading, right? It's okay. The market can cater for someone like that. So, for example, if you're having a 9 to 5, then it's best for you, for example, to be a swing trader, right? Which is, I'll get into that more deeper as I go forward. And then one of the most key or important elements when it comes to this trading thing, any trading style that you choose, it must suit your personality, because Forex makes you realize things that you didn't know about yourself. You kind of like have to tap into you and dig deeper as to who you really are, and then incorporate that into your trading style. So that is why it is important, because trading somehow is more like a real life. Okay. Because for example, if you're not disciplined, then you're not going to make it into this Forex trading thing. So you need to be disciplined. You need to create rules. There's a certain time that you must wake up at and everything like that. So without any further waste of time, let's get into the video. Okay. So the first type that we have scalpers. So scalpers, it's like they hold the trades for seconds up to 2 minutes. Up to minutes, basically. So in Forex, we have what you call the time frames, right? So if in those things that was zigzag, we have like time frames. Those time frames simply means that each and every candle closes at a certain time or after certain minutes of time, right? So when it comes to scalpers or scalping trading, that means if you have any trades that are running, if you execute trades, then you are more like comfortable holding those trades for like seconds up to minutes. Okay, second is a bit smaller, but they can like at least hold those running positions for a couple of minutes and then they're out. So basically they go in and out from the markets. They buy now, close, sell, close. So that's something like that. So a basic target or peep, at least now I covered something about pips on the previous videos, so please do go and check it out if you didn't. So scalpers only target like 5 to 10 pips, which is, like I said, that they go in and out to the markets. They buy now, close now, sell out, right? So the time frames that you would use, which I'll also explain that in the next videos, where to actually see that they use like 1 minute time frame to up to 5 minute time frame, because that means each and every candle opens and closes after 5 minutes, and then they take whatever amount of money that they get after that period of time. So that is basically scalpers, people who are busy, not necessarily busy, but people who have the time to be glued into their screens because they have that amount of time. All right. So that is the first type. So moving forward now to the second one. Then we have day traders, right? So a day trader is a style whereby a trader buys or sells and closes their trades within a day, right? So that means if you have any running positions, a day trader is comfortable with only holding those trades for the 24 hours, and that's just it. So this is basically why, as I was saying, forex makes you realize things about yourself. Because if you, for example, you're somebody who knows that you are very and you are naturally an impatient person, then why would you hold trades for like weeks, days, when you know that you just cannot be able to live without constantly checking up? So if you're somebody like that, then maybe day trading or scalping is the type of style that best suits you. So hence we say that it must suit your personality. Okay, so a day trader holds period, the holding period is a day, which is if you have any running positions, if you bought your USD or sold any pair, then you're comfortable holding those positions for as maximum of like a day, 24 hours. And then they target up to 30 to 40 pips per day, and they usually use like start from 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15-minute time frame as time frame to execute their buying or selling positions, right? So the third type is swing traders. So like I said, that swing trading is for like people, for example, who have a 9 to 5, people who don't have that much time into their disposal. So they comfortable holding trades from days up to weeks. So it's some sort of like investing in a way where you just put trades and forget, right? So you have trades that are forgotten about, right? Because you do not have that much amount of time to be looking at the charts, to be analyzing, to be managing positions. So just put in a stop loss, take profit, and then you let them run for a couple of days up to a week maximum, right? And then they target up to 50 and 150 pips. So the good thing about when it comes to swing trading, which is you go for high rewards, but they obviously take time before you hit your take profit levels. Okay, so that is basically what it means to be a day trader. So the time frames that day trade and the swing traders use, they use one daily time frame. It simply means that each and every candle takes up to a day to open and to close, right? Or in other words, it means for you to open a position and then you can close it after a day and see how much money you made or see how much money you've lost. And then they also use up to 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame, right, for entries, which is they use the daily for analysis, 4 hour confirmation or support and resistance, and 1 hour it's for entering. But you can also use all those time frames for entries because there are people who enter on. You know what I mean? Then the last type that we have is position traders. It's the people that trade with banks. Okay. It's a style whereby a trader buys and holds trades for a long term with the expectation that it will grow in value over time. So it's deeper now into investing, right? Which is you're looking for long-term gains. You're looking at what's going to happen in the next 5 years in America, what's going to happen in the next 2 or 3 5 years to Apple, to Amazon, and everything like that, or to even currencies, right? What's going to happen? Okay. So they hold the trades from weeks up to years maximum. And then they have a target of 500 to 1,000 pips. And then they use the time frames from daily, weekly, and sometimes monthly. And one of the most successful position traders are the likes of George Soros, who made $1 billion from trading, Paul Tudor Jones, and Jesse Livermore. So I heard about Paul Tudor Jones on this other book that I forgot about it. But yeah, that's where I studied about Paul Tudor Jones, Jesse Livermore, and many more other traders. Okay, so yeah, guys, we have now reached to the end of the video. Please do me one favor. I would appreciate if you, after this video, go hit the subscription button, comment down below if you have any comment or you have any question that you want to ask. Otherwise, from me and Bambelo, this will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. I'm gonna bring up more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.